How to buy prompt token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going up with this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And this token will be listed on MEXC. Now, I will show you how to buy this token on your MEXC account. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account like that. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and find your account with WCT. Now, after that, what you need to do in the search bar, just type the token name, the prompt like that. Now after that, click on this pair that have USDT. Now after you click on it, wait a few seconds to load this page. As you can see, this token will be live for trading in about 12 hours. Now after that, what you need to do, just click on limit, and here you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will pay, and click on buy prompt. If you prefer to buy with market option, you can click on it. Just drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account, and click on buy prompt. So this is how to buy prompt token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.